On a bright summer morning, deep in a green meadow, the ants were busy working. They marched in neat lines, carrying tiny food pieces back to their anthill. Every day, from sunrise to sunset, they worked tirelessly, collecting food for the winter. Among them was Awa, a young but determined ant. She was small, but she had a strong will. She knew that hard work was the key to survival. The elders had always told her, work hard in the summer, so you don't suffer in the winter. So, like the others, Ava never wasted a single moment. Meanwhile, in the same meadow, there was Luca, the grasshopper. Unlike Ava and the ants, Luca loved to relax. He spent his days hopping around, basking in the sun, and playing music on his tiny violin. He enjoyed the warm summer breeze and laughed whenever he saw the ants working so hard. One day, as Ava was carrying a large grain of wheat on her back, Luca stopped her. Ava, why are you working so hard? Look at this beautiful day. The sun is shining, the flowers are blooming, and the wind is whispering sweet melodies. Why waste such a perfect day working? Ava wiped the sweat from her brow and replied, Luca, summer won't last forever. When winter comes, food will be scarce, and we must be prepared. Luca chuckled. Winter? That's months away. Why worry about something that hasn't even happened yet? Ava shook her head and continued her work. Every day, the same thing happened. The ants worked, while Luca played and laughed. He mocked them for worrying too much and said he would figure things out when the time came. But time does not wait for anyone. As the days passed, the warm summer faded, and autumn arrived. The leaves turned golden, the air became cooler, and the days grew shorter. The ants had gathered a great supply of food, filling their anthill with grains, seeds, and nuts. Ava felt proud of all the hard work they had done. Luca, on the other hand, started noticing a change. The nights were colder, and the insects that once filled the meadow began disappearing. Food was not as easy to find as before, but he still wasn't worried. I'll manage, he told himself. Then, winter arrived. The meadow was covered in snow, and the once lively fields were now silent and frozen. Luca shivered as he searched for food, but there was none. The trees were bare, the grass was buried under thick layers of snow, and all the other insects had either left or gone into hibernation. Now, hunger clawed at Luca's stomach. He had never imagined it would be this bad. His legs felt weak, and he regretted every moment he had wasted in the summer. He thought about the ants and their full anthill. Maybe they could help him. Desperate, he made his way to the anthill and knocked on the tiny entrance. Ava was the first to see him. Luca, what happened to you? She asked, seeing how weak and tired he looked. I have no food, he admitted. I thought winter wouldn't be so bad. I thought I could find something, but I was wrong. Please, Ava, can you help me? Ava looked at him for a long moment. The old ants had warned them not to help those who didn't prepare. But Ava had a kind heart. She turned to the other ants and said, Luca has learned his lesson. Let's not leave him out in the cold. But he must also understand the value of hard work. So, they let Luca inside, gave him food, and helped him regain his strength. But Ava had one condition. Luca, when summer returns, you must work with us. No more wasting time. You must prepare for the next winter. Will you do it? Luca, with tears of gratitude in his eyes, nodded. I promise, Ava. I have learned my lesson. Hard work is not a choice, it is necessary. When spring arrived, true to his word, Luca didn't waste time. He joined the ants in their work. Though it was difficult at first, he kept going, reminding himself of the cold winter he had suffered. Over time, he became strong and disciplined. By the time the next winter arrived, he wasn't begging for help, he was prepared. And from that day on, Luca told his story to every young grasshopper he met. Hard work may seem tough today, but it saves you from suffering tomorrow. And so, the lazy grasshopper became the wise grasshopper, all because he learned the lesson of hard work, preparation, and responsibility. Life gives us many opportunities to prepare for the future, but it is up to us to use them wisely. Hard work, discipline, and responsibility may seem difficult today, but they protect us from struggles tomorrow. So ask yourself, are you preparing for your future, or are you waiting for life to happen to you? The choices you make today will shape your tomorrow. Work hard, stay disciplined, and never take time for granted. Success belongs to those who are willing to work for it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more inspiring stories. See you in the next video.